Have you ever stared at a pattern and felt personally victimized by brackets, parentheses, and little asterisks? Yeah, me too. But don't worry, today I'm your crochet Rosetta Stone. Hey, crochet friends. I'm Mo, your crochet companion, and today we're cracking the code on repeats so you'll never get lost mid-row again. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what brackets mean, what asterisks do, and why one little parentheses can be the difference between a cute project and you frogging the whole thing at 2 a.m. As we've all been there. Okay, so first things first, brackets. These are your best friends. They mean do everything inside here in this one spot. So example, bracket, single crochet, comma, chain 2, comma, single crochet, bracket, into the same stitch. It's basically a cozy little stitch sandwich all in one home. Parentheses. There are the cousins to the brackets. Same vibe, slightly different flavor. They usually group stitches that form one unit, like a shell or cluster. So for example, parentheses, DC, comma, chain 1, comma, DC, parentheses. This is one sequence, not two, not optional, one. Ah, the infamous star. This little troublemaker means repeat everything from this star to the next star until the pattern tells you to stop. So, for example, star, single crochet in next 3 stitches, comma, chain 2, star, repeat across. You're just basically going to ride that roller coaster until you hit the end of the row. Now, when you see one star and then a semicolon later, it means repeat from the star all the way to the semicolon as many times as they say. It's like pattern math, but without the trauma. And finally, when you see something that says work in pattern, this is code for do exactly what you've been doing. Don't get fancy. Continue repeating the stitch repeat across. Once you understand repeats, you can read any pattern. Vintage, modern, cryptic, hieroglyphic. Bring it. You'll stitch with confidence instead of guessing your way through. If you want a deeper dive, check out my full How to Read a Crochet Pattern video. I break down everything from abbreviations to diagrams, all that good stuff. Until next time, keep those stitches spicy and may your crochet hook never hide.